Are you having problems with the Focus Friend app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you because I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it myself. So firstly, what I did is that I closed the Focus Friend app and instead I went into the Settings app on my phone. So now on your Settings app, just scroll down here and then we're going to click on General. So click on General. Now scroll down here again and click on Storage, as you can see. So now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So it's just going to load all the apps that we currently have on our phone. So now when it's done, just swipe all the way up until you can see the search bar up top. So click on Search, search for Focus Friend here, as you can see, and just click on it. Now we're just going to click on Offload App and once again click on Offload App, and here we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load and then click on Reinstall App. So now just simply wait for the Focus Friend app to completely update to its latest version. And when it's done, you can go back into the app and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.